All right. So someone wanted to know how do they make themselves a high value male or high value man? All right. To make yourself a high value male or a high value man, it's just about developing yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male. All right. That's all it is. Yeah. So if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Active Union Trust, you will get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. And that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a pure thoroughbred alpha male. The bonus as well is you learn how to develop yourself. We'll learn what your personals. Can't even speak now. I don't know why, but fuck it. Yeah, you learn how to develop yourself or develop your personalized mission, or if you know what your mission is, how to go on that mission and do what you need to do, right? That is in the course to do with career and business. That's where you're going to learn that information right there. Yeah? Combine that information there with developing yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male, you will by default naturally and organically become a high value male. It's not going to happen overnight, but it will happen. Yeah? Over time. So if you got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in the videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.